Is parental alienation a crime in Texas? Plus 8 tips to prove it in court. When spouses are going through a separation or divorce, unfortunately, it is not always amicable and does not always go smoothly. A lot of the turbulence has to do with the feelings that at least one or both feel towards the other person. Sometimes partners will channel their feelings towards the other person using means that have negative outcomes. One such mean is to use children. The use of children in hurting the other partner is a recognized form of domestic abuse and can even be found on the Power and Control wheel. Please visit my website and click on Articles at the top of the page. There you just have to scroll down a little bit and be able to download a complimentary copy of the Power and Control wheel. Okay, so we have an abusive situation with parents who probably just cannot co-parent. For purposes of this video, I'm only alleging unilateral parental alienation. That is when one parent is finding ways to hurt the other spouse by using the children. I guess the goal would be to make their children feel the same level of anger towards the ex as they do. It's sad, really, that a parent would project their anger and bitterness towards their ex through the children. There's a saying in family law: there are winners and losers in family law. The winners are the attorneys and the losers are the children. You would hope that the real loser is the parent responsible for the alienation, but that is sadly not the case. Fortunately, if you can prove that the other parent is responsible, then you may be able to win a larger amount of time with your child and less with the alienating parent. Unfortunately, it may be difficult to prove parental alienation. It is also not formally recognized in psychiatry, which does not help your case. It is also not a crime. That is why it might be wise to consult with an experienced family law attorney to help you prove to the court that parental alienation occurred and is causing damage to the children. Below are 8 tips in the form of questions to help you prove your case. First question: is the other parent making major decisions about the child without at least notifying the other spouse? 2, is the other parent undermining the targeted parent in front of the child? 3, is the other parent not being a team player in the co-parenting and shared custody process? Is the other parent not allowing the targeted parent to exercise their scheduled visitations? Is the other parent talking about the custody or divorce case with the child? Number 6, is the other parent not allowing the child to take their toys to the targeted parent's house? Number 7, is the other parent telling the child that the targeted parent will hurt them? Is the other parent not disclosing or blatantly hiding information from the targeted parent about the child? It might be quite a challenge to prove these things happened. That is why it is important to have an experienced Houston family law attorney on your side to help you navigate this important and delicate process. We'll also carefully analyze any evidence between you and the other spouse to help conclude if you have a meritorious case. It's also very possible that your ex might have a logical explanation for their behaviors, but at Chris Martin Law Firm, we zealously advocate for our clients and will call your ex out on their excuses for poor co-parenting and parental alienation. We'll also work hard to get the necessary evidence to help prove your case of parental alienation. If necessary, we can call in experts to provide an opinion on what potential damage has been done to the children. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you very much.